Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. All praise is due to Allah, who is Almighty, Merciful, and Sustainer, and blessings and salutations and peace be upon Holy Prophet Muhammad and upon his family members and companions and whoever follows his guidance until the day of resurrection. My dear brothers and sisters, all parents, they almost dedicating their life to prepare their kids or children to get better life in future, but they are making very big mistake in terms of teaching their kids or children, because they believe that it is enough to get certain certificates with highest marks. Only certificates can't help you to get success. There is 4 areas of life we have to focus on. First of all, we have to focus on religious area. We have to teach our kids or children's religious knowledge, spirituality, because if you don't teach spirituality and religious knowledge, then your children's life would be similar to animals. Yes, animals have no any purpose except looking for food or shelter. So the people who has no any spirituality, who has no knowledge about religion, and who doesn't practice religious order, just his purpose of life should be earning money. So life will be similar to animals. That's why our first priority should be on religious education. We have to teach our kids religious knowledge, and we have to make them practice order of Islamic religion and spirituality. Then our kids will get good character, attitude, and good habit. Secondly, we have to focus on developing skill. Skills are most important than certificates. You will never get anyone who got success without skills, but you will get large number of people, they got success without any certificates. So skills are very important to develop, and we have to focus on this area in terms of teaching our kids. And skills, there is 2 kinds of skills we have to make them learn. One of them hard skill and another one soft skill. So we have to focus on both of these area, on hard skill and also soft skill. And inshallah I will explain in next video what is the hard skill and what is the soft skill, inshallah. Thirdly, we have to focus on getting certificates with highest marks. So these 4 areas of life we have to focus on. And certificate is just recognition. People can recognize you which degree have you acquired from a certain school or college or university. It is just a recognition. It can't help you to get success, but it will help you with another thing that's called skills and spirituality. We have to remember that nowadays we are passing time in modern age, and our kids, they will face post-modern age, what is quite different than this time. So that time life will based on skills, not on only certificates. So we have to focus on 4 areas. We have to focus on religious area, and we have to focus on to develop hard skills, and we have to focus on developing soft skills, and we have to focus on getting certificates with highest marks. Thank you very much.